Hey, Gianna, what are you doing?
Nothing. This is the cupcake.
No, what are you doing? Tell the camera what you're doing. What are you doing to the cupcakes?
I'm doing the sprinkles.
What are you putting sprinkles on the cupcakes for?
Because I put them round the pan.
Oh. Is it somebody's birthday?
No, it's Alice's birthday.
Oh, are we going to have a party later?
Yes.
Tell us what we're going to do later.
The sprinkles.
Mm.
And then the places I will do with the bottle pot.
Mm.
And I'll make a party later.
Oh, we're making a party later?
Yeah.
Are we going to have party hats?
Yeah. And I'll make it so pretty.
We'll make them so pretty.
And you have.
I should have a hat too?
And I have a too.
Everyone has one? Even if it's not our birthday?
It's my birthday too.
Oh, it's your birthday too?
No. Yes, you are. No, it's Aaron's birthday only. It's my birthday. It's Aaron's birthday. It's my birthday. Aaron's birthday. It's my birthday. Aaron's birthday. It's my birthday. Aaron's birthday. My birthday. Aaron's birthday. My birthday. Aaron's birthday. It's my birthday.
Tell us what we're going to do for your birthday.
Now please put it down. Now,
Show us how you put sprinkles on the cupcakes.
what? We put the sprinkles on the cupcake and make it so pretty.
What flavor is your cupcake?
Oh, waiter,
What?
waiter.
Why are you taking them out?
Because I got them so hot.
Can you show me how you're going to sing happy birthday later?
Yes.
Show me.
Happy birthday to Aaron.
Keep singing. Now you're done.
No, I'm not done. Let me taste it. 1 and 2, please.
How many cupcakes do you think you're going to eat?
That one.
Just one? You're not going to have more cupcakes? Show us how you're going to eat it. Show me how you're going to eat it. Hey, Smelly Butt. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Why got boo-boo?
That's paint.
Why got boo-boo?
It's paint. I was painting the basement.
Why got boo-boo?
I don't have a boo-boo.
Right here.
That's paint.
Right here.
Paint.
Why got pink?
I was painting.
You painted?
Yeah, the basement.
You painted in the basement?
Yeah.
What is it? Paint.
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 Paint. Paint.
Mm-hmm. Say gotta go.
Gotta go.
Say we gotta get ready for Aaron's birthday.
We got Aaron's birthday.
Say love you.
I love you.
Blow kisses. Aww.